welcome back to the channel, and in today's video it's going to be a really quick video showing you guys how to remove the trim piece around the two side windows. That's enough talking, and let's go straight to the video. Alright, right here you can see there are Phillips head screws going around this whole trim. Also, when you're taking off this weather seal, be careful not to rip this off, which connects to the airbags. The next step, without having to take off the back window to get to all the screws, is going on the inside of the car. And same way we removed the weather seal that was on this edge right here, we're gonna have to do that from the inside to get access to the screws that you'll be able to access from inside the car. And then this whole trim piece will come off. I think from the looks of it, it'll be a 5-minute job per side. So we took off the molding, as you just saw, and there's going to be screws. There's going to be screws coming up along this edge right here. And so it's kind of hard to show on camera where they are exactly. But there's two screws right behind this motor. There's one on top of it, and then if we kind of look around, there's just more screws here. So you're gonna have to find a tool that you can get in here and take everything off. And once you have all those screws off, you can just pop the trim piece from the outside right off. And this way we don't have to take off the rear quarter panel window or the rear quarter window on the car. So I'll take those screws off real quick, and then we'll step outside and remove the trim piece. And that's how you take off this molding piece. So thank you for checking out today's video. As you saw, it was a quick and easy disassembly process of the trim piece. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.